Thinking where do we get that? Is it wrong? Is it right? You know that I'm missing.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a review on this wig I have on. I'm going to make this intro too long. I'm just going to give y'all a rundown of what I experienced, inches, where I got it from, price, and all that different type stuff. And then in the end, we're going to get to the tutorial. Before we get into this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you can see more videos of me. So I got this wig from Arabella. It was the 20-inch wig. It came in like 2 days, y'all. I ordered it on Sunday and it came on Tuesday. Like, huh? That is fast shipping, okay? So I really love that. I really love that. I was not expecting it to get here that quick. And it's not HD lace. It's more so transparent. I did have to bleach the knots. The lace was really light skinned. It's the 13x4 frontal wig, body wave, human hair. Y'all know all that good stuff. I got it on sale. I got it for $163, originally $200. So I actually got, you know, a nice little cute deal. I washed it and everything. Barely no hair came out. I also blow dried it and just like played with it for a little bit, and barely any shedding. It is a thumbs up. The hair straightens really well. It also curls really well too. I cut layers into my wig. It didn't come with layers. Wear this for a few days and see how we rock. Give y'all a little I'll give y'all a little update in the bio, but right now this one is rocking. I ain't getting no crazy tangles. It feels really good. Feels really soft. The ends don't feel like straggly. It comes to about right here. I'm 5'2". Mind you, I got the 20 inches, so it comes to about like right here. Comes like mid waist, I guess you could say. If you would think about this wig, go get it. Stay tuned because I want to be showing you step by step of how I achieved this look and how I installed this wig. All right, let's get to it.
Don't stop this green light. Now you got me special when you know I can't have you. When I'm under the next one, oh, now you want to get aggressive. Oh, do you mean you keep on making me believe nightmares turn into a dream? If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep doing it over and over. You keep calling me back. I'm just trying to get closer. You pulling me closer and closer. Phone ringing like over and over. Cause you keep calling me back. La 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 la. Why you keep calling me back? I'm needing you switch up. I'd rather we never pick up, but can we slip up and mix up sometimes? You say it don't mean you just want it when it's convenient. Am I crazy for waiting on my side? Now you calling me special when you know I can't have you. When I'm under the next one, oh, now you want to get aggressive. Oh, do you mean you keep on making me believe nightmares turn into a dream? If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep doing it over and over. You keep calling me back. I'm just trying to get closer. You pulling me closer and closer. Phone ringing like over and over. Cause you keep calling me back. La 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 la. Why you keep calling me back? Back. Now you walking on a thin line. We've been through it like 10 times. I'ma put you in line. Yeah, I had you on an incline. Now I don't even wanna reply. I'ma have to decline. Yeah, you showed me I don't wanna rewind. Yeah, no, you a 10, but that attitude ain't fine.